Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make a hat from the bottom up. For this tutorial, all you will need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I am going to be showing you two basic techniques that you can use to start a hat from the bottom. For the first one, you're going to make some chains that are going to be for the width of the circumference of your head. If you are making this for another person, I'm going to leave some charts down below that are going to be helpful on trying to make chains to match the circumference of that person's head. So say you're making it for a baby, a teenager, another person, those charts are going to be helpful on a sort of general amount of chains that you can make to match that person's head. So what you're going to do is once you make your chains, it's going to look like this. You're going to take your chains and you're going to look at the front of them. So you can see this is the front of your chains and then this is the back. It's going to have that bump on it. You're going to take the ends and you're going to bring the ends together. But you're going to make sure that the sides are matching. So you can see that the ends are together here. And I have both of the front of the chains facing me. You do not want to get your chain twisted for this. So you are going to want to make sure that the sides of the chains match. Then you're going to take the first chain that you made and you're going to slip stitch into it. To join those ends together. And you can see since I didn't twist it, the fronts of my chains on this side and the fronts of my chains on this side are matching. From here, you would just simply make a chain or two and then work stitches into these chains like normal around or even in the round, depending on your hat. So this is going to be the brim of your hat. So again, you are going to make some chains for the width of your head. You're going to bring the ends of those chains together. You're going to match up the sides. This is the front. You're going to match up the sides together. That way your chain does not get twisted. You're going to slip stitch those ends together and then start making rows like normal for the body of your hat. The next technique is going to be building a more substantial base brim to work off of. So you can see here that this is going to be the brim of my hat, and I have made this from regular single crochet ribbing. I have a bunch of techniques on ribbing and I will have those listed down below, but you could realistically make this in regular single crochets, regular half double crochets. It's honestly just depending on how you want your brim to look. So what I did is I made a bunch of single crochet ribbing rows all together. They're very short back and forth. Then I joined them together. You can see this is where I joined them. And then from here, I could attach any yarn that I want to any space and then start making rows like normal for the body of my hat. So this part is very customizable depending on what stitches you would want to use for your base. So again, all I did is some short rows of single crochet ribbing to make this. I joined those together and then from here I would attach new yarn. I would start making rows like normal to build the body of my hat. So those are the two techniques that I wanted to share on how to start a hat from the bottom up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.